Hello guys, welcome to Varun Techie, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned about operators in Python. In today's session, let us learn about if-else statement, if-elif statement and nested if-else statement, and let's see a simple calculator program code execution. If-else statement. The if statement is used for conditional execution of code. It allows you to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. So let's see the basic syntax. Here, if else condition. If condition is given and then here code to be executed if the code is true. That means which the output we have to see, that one we can give here like print off. So here's the example. Let's see. Here we gave a variable x and for that we given a value 10. So condition we have applied here. If x is greater than 5, print x is greater than 5. So print statement will only be executed if the certain x condition is true. If elif else statement. So in this condition, when you have multiple conditions to check, we use this statement. Like it allows you to specify a series of conditions and their corresponding code blocks. So let's see the syntax. Here, multiple conditions can be given. So you can see if statement condition 1, then code to be executed, and then again if else statement of second condition, and then code to be executed if second condition is true. Then else statement. Let's see the example. Here x is equal to 10. So first condition, if x is greater than 10, then print x is greater than 10. So second condition, elif x is equal to 10, then print x is equal to 10, else print x is less than 10. So in this example, the first condition is x is greater than 10. So generally we gave x is equal to 10. So it is not correct. So then the code goes to elif condition. So x is equal to 10. So this condition is true. Then it will be executed like x is equal to 10. So the output will be x is equal to 10. Next, nested if-else statement. A nested if-else statement in Python is when you have an if-else statement inside another if or else block. So here we see the syntax. This allows for more complex conditional logic. If condition 1, then inside this if condition we gave another if condition, then else and again else. Let's see an example. So here x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. These are the variables. Then first condition, if x is greater than 5. So inside this condition we give another condition, if y is greater than 5. Else print y is not greater than 5. Then for x statement we give else condition. So the nested elif statements check the value of y only if the outer condition x is greater than true. Now let's see some examples in Google Colab. See, here x is equal to 10. This is the if condition. If x is greater than 5, print x is greater than 5. Else print x is not greater than 5. So here the output is x is greater than 5. This is the way to write code. Then if elif statement. Here we define a variable like x is equal to 7. Then we gave a condition if elif else statement. If x is greater than 10, print x is greater than 10. Elif statement, we gave another second condition like x is equal to 10, then print x is equal to 10. Else print x is less than 10. Here the output is x is less than 10. Because x is equal to 7 we gave. Next, third example, nested elif statement. Here we given two variables and then we give first if condition. If x is greater than 5. Inside this we give another if condition. If y is greater than 5. Then else conditions. So here multiple variables can be checked. Like x is greater than 5 and y is not greater than 5. This is our output. Now let's see a calculator how to code this one. So here, first one we given def calculator, then we give print statements. So here we define it is a calculator, and then we give print statements. So for taking user input, here we give choice 1 2 3 4. Like here we have to choose either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Then we give an if statement. Using if elif else statement, we have built this code. See, in choice 1, 1 2 3 4. So num 1. So after choosing 1 2 3 4, we have to give two numbers. So if we choose first option, the result will be addition. Like here we give, see, first one addition, second one subtraction, third one multiplication, and fourth one division. So in this way we have to give conditions. We already know these operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So using that and using elif statement, we have built a calculator. See here, if we choose one option, result will be addition, then answer will be print in this way. If we choose choice 2, then the result will be subtraction. If we choose choice 3, then the result will be multiplication, and choice 4, the result will be division. If not of any of these four, if we gave 5 or 6 or something, then it will show that error division by 0 is not available. Mean if we gave 0 or anything. So other than that, it will give invalid input. Let's check. After running, it will be output like this. Then here we have to choose, like for example, let us choose 1. So enter first number. Let us give 3. Enter second number. Let us give 4. So we got addition here. See, 3 plus 4 7. Here we got float values because here we gave float instead of int. If we gave int here, then the answer will be, there will be no point values, only 3 plus 4 7. Let's see another type. What happens if we choose second option? Asking to first answer, then second number, and then here is the answer. So then subtraction. In the same way, in the same way, multiplication and division also can be done. Thank you.